Hope you're fine. Today I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 3, page number 18, and today we are doing a comprehension, and the comprehension's name is The Princess and the Pea. This is an interesting story. Let's read first. We know when we will do a comprehension, that time we have to read the extract first, and after that we will answer the question. We will find it's below. Here there are the question. After reading the comprehension, we will write this answer. So here the comprehension is: there was once a prince who wanted to marry a real princess. He traveled all over the world looking for one, but failed to find one. So he returned home. One night during a terrible storm, there was a knocking at the gate of the town, and the old king went to open it. It was a princess who stood outside, and oh dear, what a state she was in! The water ran down from her hair and her clothes into her shoes, but she said she was a real princess. Well, that we'll soon find out, thought the queen, but she said nothing. Instead, she went into the bedroom and laid a small pea on the slabs of the bed. Upon this, she heaped 20 mattresses and 20 edredowns. The princess was to sleep there that night. In the morning, she was asked how she had slept. Oh, very badly, she answered. I have scarcely closed my eyes all night. I lay on something hard so that my body is all black and blue. Everybody knew then that she was a real princess because no one else would have felt the pea through all those soft mattresses and edredowns, and so the prince married her. Okay, so let's read the question, first question, and start to answer. First question is: what did the prince wish to do? Here, see, it's written: there was once a prince who wanted to marry a real princess. We can write the answer. The prince wanted to marry a real princess. Next one, two number question is what? Who arrived at the gate during the storm? Let's see who were the person. One night during a terrible storm, there was a knocking at the gate of the town, and the old king went to open it. It was a princess who stood outside. So we can write in this place two number. The princess arrived at the gate when question is told arrived at the gate during the storm. So we can write the answer in this place. The princess arrived at the gate during the storm. Three number, see what is the question? Three number, here it is done. What small thing did the queen put on the slabs of the bed? We know what she did. Here, see, but she said nothing. Instead, she went into the bedroom and laid a small pea on the slabs of the bed. So we can write the answer. That is, the queen put a small pea on the slabs on the slabs of the bed. Finish. Phone number. What did she put on top of this? Here we're getting, upon this she heaped 20 mattresses and 20 eider downs. So here we can write phone number answer, that is on top of this, on top of this she put 20 mattresses and eider down, where eider down beds. So 5 number now. 5 number is, see, how did the princess sleep that night? That night, see where it is written. Here it is written, in the morning she asked how she had slept. Oh, very badly, she answered. So we have got the answer. Here we can write 5 number answer, that is the princess slept. The princess slept badly, very badly, very badly, when? Very badly that night. Now last one is, here it is written, extended writing. Imagine you are the princess. Describe your night at the palace and how you felt. It fully depends on you. You will imagine it, and after that you will write. It's one kind of narrative essay. Imaginary you have to write, so it's upon you. But try to write the essay according to this extract or this story what we have read. Means whenever you will go to write narrative essay, that time just keep remember, you have to follow 3 rules, that is starting, then climax, then ending. Okay, so try to follow it. And what is starting? We know when you will start one extract or one story. Climax, this is the point when main character or protagonist meet with the antagonist. Antagonist can be a person or can be any kind of bad situation in which or where we need to face with it. And ending, happy ending you can put now in your age. So do it by yourself. We have done today page number 18 from Junior English book 3. There we found a comprehension, and the comprehension's name is The Princess and the Pig. Next day we will do a page, that is page number 19, and the topic of 19 number page is collective nouns. Bye for today.